A 2-day passage that turns into 3 days due to almost no wind doesn't stop us from having fun on board Cordelia. Come with us as we sail from Sicily to Sardinia.
This is very meaty, this bit here, look.
Oh yeah, I don't want to eat it. It's a kraken leg.
Sweet, but basically it's just onions, mince. This is Cordelia, our Venus ketch. This is Steve. I'm Annette, and this is the cutest member of our crew, Gus. Our dream was 10 years in the planning. In the end, you only ever regret the chances you didn't take. All the sails up?
No, I'm going to put the staysail up in a minute. I've just got a fishing buoy up there. That
There's another fishing buoy marker in front as well, Steve. Have you seen that one? Look at the colour of that water. Whoa, beautiful Mediterranean water. But just a little bit chilly at the moment. We're doing just over 3 knots. So, considering there's... I can't wait till we find out how much we get this instrument sorted that tells us what speed the wind is going, because right at this moment it's a pain in the arse and we have to guess.
I would say the wind's about 10 knots.
Yeah, I would say it's about 10 knots. Yeah. Still see the bottom here. What's the depth, Steve? Yeah, I can see the bottom still. Is it less than 12 now? It's what? Yeah, I can see that. All of a sudden it's only gone to 5. Well, we're just coming up to the end of the first afternoon on our trip over to Sardinia, and I just went down into the galley to start making dinner, and unfortunately we've lost all the lights downstairs, so Steve's just investigating that. Yeah, a bit of a pain really. Luckily it's not the nav lights. We've got the nav lights, which is really important because obviously we're going into the night time now, but yeah, it would be good if we had lights downstairs. We're a bit difficult without them. Our boat is not the lightest of boats, as you know. So that... Sorry?
Fixed them temporarily.
Yeah, what was wrong with them then?
The switch has gone resistant. There's something wrong with that side of the panel. Even though the fuse hasn't blown, the switch is doing something weird, which is why I moved it up one a while ago. So now I've moved the whole thing over to another switch and a lower thing. So now the radio, I've changed the fuse in it, but the radio is now the lights.
I'm just doing our dinner for tonight, which is well, it's just one of those one pot things that, you know, you cook up and it's just easy to eat. I'll put it in a thing with a lid for us to eat, but it's just mince, lentils, onions, tomatoes, a couple of stock cubes, potatoes that I've parboiled, mushrooms, and I will just add, because we like our gravy in the UK, a bit naughty but we do, I shall add a few gravy granules to it just to thicken it up nicely, and that will be our dinner for tonight.
Have we got any basil in it?
It's not got basil in it. I don't want basil in it.
No, it's not basil. It's not basil. It's Basil.
Basil, okay. It's not. We haven't got basil in it. Steve's just getting the staysail out, which is absolutely filthy because of the sandstorms. We didn't realise how bad it was. We should have taken it down and cleaned it. We're going to do that on the back deck. But right at the moment, that means that all 4 sails are up. Well. So it's coming up to 2:30 in the morning and I'm on watch. I've been on watch since midnight. Steve's asleep inside. We've had 2 passenger ships pass us. Other than that, there was a boat behind us travelling in the same direction. That seems to have disappeared. So it must have, either we're going quicker, which is a bit of a joke because we haven't done any. We're maximum 2.2 knots, but it's lovely. It's lovely out here at the moment. We've got a full moon and yeah, it's really calm. A little bit of wind obviously moving us along, but only about kind of 8 knots. Very, very bright outside. I'll show you. That's the moon. Isn't it beautiful? Good, we should be there in about 6 days. At this rate. Anyway, see you in the morning. Oh, you're not going to see how beautiful the moon is at the moment. It's absolutely gorgeous because it's very, very red. Thank you to all our supporters, especially those who support us through Patreon and Coffee. If you'd like to support us, and we'd really appreciate it, the links are below in the narrative. Good morning. This is first morning of our trip over to Sardinia. We're still only doing 2.2, which 2.2 knots, which means that instead of it taking us 2 days, it's going to take us 3. But we haven't put the engine on since we left Capo di Vito, which is excellent. Means we've used no fuel. At this rate, we'll most probably be there on Tuesday morning or Tuesday lunchtime rather than Monday lunchtime. But all's going well. It's lovely and warm. So today we are the naked sailors. We won't be able to go swimming though because it's too bloomin' cold still. The only thing that I've seen in the water is jellyfish. Seen a couple of jellyfish. Still not caught a fish, and we haven't seen any dolphins. Anyway, catch up with you later. Hello? Are you on your own? Oh no, there's 2 of you. There's 2 of you. We're just saying that we haven't seen anything. Actually, I think there might be 3 of you. Whoa. Yeah. Look at that for a sunset. Wow. And then on the other side we've got the moon. I'm not sure that you can see that because it's still quite light. Where are you going, Gus? Oh, I'm sorry about that. Are you being serious? Well, second morning. It's a little bit later this morning because I went to bed a little bit later, as we had an eclipse of the moon last night. A full eclipse. It was amazing to watch. Wasn't it, Steve? That full eclipse was amazing to watch. It was a full eclipse. He just talks nonsense. He doesn't like it if I find something out that he doesn't. He thinks he's the oracle of everything, but he's not. Anyway, we can see land. Just there is Sardinia. So we've still not caught a fish. That's Steve's fault.
One in the night. I'll put it back.
Oh, thank you. Steve's fault we haven't caught one because he hasn't taken me to the fish home. No, nothing. It's really glorious today. Engine down, revs down, and he's just going to turn it off. Oh, that sound of engine off and just water lapping. Oh. This is lemon drizzle cake that I made en route from Sicily to Sardinia. Going so slowly that I was able to bake a cake. This is very meaty, this bit here, look.
Oh yeah, I don't want to eat it. It's a kraken leg. We were attacked mid-ocean by a kraken.
They would be suckers.
Yeah, ready to suck the boat and pull it down.
Ryan, what's this I've caught? I think it's the arm of an octopus.
It's a kraken.
Wow. Well, it's about 5 o'clock on our second full day of sailing. Well, not sailing, we're motoring. Because, as you can see, that's the state of the sea. There's not a spit of wind out there. It's absolutely like a blancmange. I should go down and start a dinner that'll be ready for us once we've anchored up. Here's Gus. Here's Gus. Say hello, Gus.
How about carbonara?
Yeah, Capo Carbonara. Capo Carbonara. Plenty of beaches around. You can see. Wow. That's 10 beaches. Ooh. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm just going to take you out.
I don't think I ever want to go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think.
See, this is the part of Sardinia, or what we didn't see of Sardinia when we were here before. This big dark patch there, there's obviously rock there or something, or seaweed.
I think I might be stuck on you. I love the things you did for me,
Well, thanks very much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it, and if you did, give us a thumbs up. Really appreciate that. If you're not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. If you could share it brilliant, because maybe some of your friends or family would like to watch it as well. And finally, we love to receive your comments, and we always reply. Maybe not on the same day, because it depends on whether we've got signal internet access at that particular time, but we will reply. And yeah, thanks very much, everybody. I'll see you in a couple of weeks. Bye.
Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant